We'll get to that in a second. Firstly, I took a windy auto ride to office because I forgot my cab and immediately went for lunch where I had paneer butter masala, corn capsicum, and two rotis. Had some jello melo juice because I liked it, and an energy bar because I knew I was going to have a late dinner. Took an auto ride to my friend's house where we had to make pav bhaji for dinner. Had this huge group project that we were doing in the kitchen. We had a really vibe going on in the kitchen while trying to make this, and oh my god, look at this pav bhaji, guys. It looks delicious, and let me tell you, it was very much delicious. While that was going in the background, we did some athletics, and as you can see, this is the final setup that we had. We couldn't find paws, so we had to settle with brown bread, and it was amazing. For dessert, we went to Milano ice cream, and I picked out the dark chocolate and strawberry flavor. And dark chocolate was really nice, but strawberry was okay. Thank you, and bye bye.